Stephen Alfonso Del Duca is a Canadian politician who has been leader of the Ontario Liberal Party since March 7, 2020. Del Duca previously served in the provincial cabinet from 2014 to 2018, first as the Minister of Transportation and then as the Minister of Economic Development. He represented the riding of Vaughan in the Ontario Legislative Assembly from 2012 to 2018. Stephen Alfonso Del Duca was born on July 7, 1973 in Etobicoke, Ontario. He is a first-generation Canadian, born to an Italian father and a Scottish mother. His paternal grandfather immigrated to Canada from Italy in 1951. Del Duca has cited his grandparents as key influences on his political career, stating, "Ontario and Canada gave them a ton of opportunity. I grew up believing you have to be dedicated, sacrifice, all those important things. But the other half of the bargain is that this province, this country are supposed to give you real opportunity." He lives with his wife, Utilia Amaral, and their two daughters in Woodbridge, Ontario. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.